Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to find out a program in which it will tell if the character is alphabet or not. Let us say we are going to have A, B, C, D, X, Y, something like that. So those are all alphabets, and if you enter some of the special characters like hash, dollar, or maybe some numbers like 1, 2, 5, 6, all these things, so those are not alphabet. Alright, so we'll try to check that. So let us just start a program. We are going to have a variable char which is going to be, let's say I am going to initialize with let's say D. Okay, so D is a character that I have already initialized, and we'll try to check using MATLAB. So what we'll do, if is letter. So each letter is a keyword. Okay, each letter is a function, inbuilt function in MATLAB, which will check for the variable to be a character. Okay, so I am going to put char. So if it is a letter, then what it will say, you can write down here a statement whatever you want. Okay, so you can put down fprintf, yes it is there. Okay, else what we'll do, fprintf no. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we have checked that is later char. So this char, if it is later, then we will print a statement, yes the given character is alphabet. And else what we will say, if each letter is false, then we will say fprintf no, the given character is not a letter. Understood? And we will say end. So let's save the program and run it. So once we run it, we can see here that this program char alphabet or not. The answer is yes. Now let us replace this with some dollar symbol. What it says? It is telling no, this is not a character or not an alphabet. Let's say we are going to put 50. Okay, so it is saying still no. Let us say now, let's say H, that will say yes. So this is so simple, like you can check very easily by using a like a inbuilt function which is letter and put it into the char variable, whatever variable you want it. Now let us make it a very versatile program. We'll take the same character variable in an input through user. Okay, so input, what we are going to ask from the user, we'll put enter a character, okay, so they'll enter character, and character is actually entered using S. Okay, so you can see there is a hint that is being like given by MATLAB, S. So S is coming up. Now let's run it. So you can enter character on the go. So let's say I am going to put 6, so it will say no. Again run it, and we are going to say D, then it will say yes. So okay, this is how we have checked it whether the given character is an alphabet or not. Alright, if you do have any questions or any comments regarding this kind of programs, or if you do have any kind of programs that you are not able to find out or something like that, you can put down your queries in the comment box and we shall be able to answer you out. Thank you.